Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on data science. Creating interactive web-based dashboard in Python is really easy than ever when you combine the strength of Streamlit. As we have gone through few videos on DuckDB using Streamlit. Also, we have gone few videos on Streamlit with graph and this thing, but using pandas is little bit interesting. So today's video is about Streamlit with pandas dashboard. So let us go through the program. So pandas library, plotty I have used it in DuckDB. Then page config, heading sales dashboard with plotty, then data frame, so date and this thing 24 and this thing random, and sidebar filter data region and product, and chart, bar chart, and these things are there, and another chart is there. We can see here filtered. So whenever there is a part of data set, so data frame is there with filtered data. All these things required data set data. Now I will execute with Streamlit. A nice screen is displayed in front of you with this graph and bar graph. So now I will do the changes with the dashboard. You can sales over time and total sales by region. Now I will now change has been made. Graph change, you can see here the changes are being done west and east, and if I will remove west, only east and this thing total region, so north, fine, south, and now I will select region, I will product here, this is of sales region, product, and this thing. Changes has been done, filtered data, so product C and product A. So I successfully done with Streamlit pandas dashboard. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on dashboard, using data frame, using Streamlit, using DuckDB, and many more with data analytics. Today's video is about data analytics, and for latest update about data analytics and web development using Node.js, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.